Hey y'all, welcome to Cajun Cuisines. Today we're going to be making some chicken and shrimp Cajun pasta. So you're going to take your clean jumbo shrimp, go ahead and season that with a little bit of olive oil. Then we're going to add some garlic powder. Next, we're going to add some Cajun seasoning. And you're going to give that a toss. Let that marinate for a good 5 minutes in your refrigerator. You're going to take your heated skillet, add some oil. Once you add oil, go ahead and drop in your shrimp. Let your shrimp cook for about 2 minutes on each side, covered. Uncover it, check your shrimp, see if it's to your liking, then flip your shrimp. Cover that back up and let it cook for additional 2 minutes. Voila. Next, you're going to remove your shrimp. In a new pan, heated pan, add your heavy cream. Once that heats up, go ahead and add your seasonings. Add the Cajun seasoning. Add some garlic seasoning. And also add a pinch of black pepper. Give that a quick stir. Now we're going to take our Parmesan cheese, spread that all over, and whisk your cheese in until completely melted. And at this point, go ahead and drop your temperature to low. Look how creamy that is, rich with flavor, so yummy. Once that is done, we're going to go ahead and drop in our cooked fettuccine pasta. Spread that out so the pasta can intake all those flavors and juice from that cream sauce. Like so. You're going to garnish it with chopped parsley, give it a little color. Now with my grilled chicken, I grilled my chicken on the grill. You can bake it or you can cook it on the stove. You can sear it, but I chose to grill it for more flavor. Now I added some Parmesan cheese just for a little bit more of a cheesiness coming from the pasta. After I mix that together, I'm going to chop up my grilled chicken and add only a couple pieces to my pasta. After I mix all that in, I place my shrimp on top after I plate my pasta, and I also place my sliced chicken on top. Add a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and there you go. Quick 30-minute meal. Enjoy.